I first saw Yaron Reuven. I first saw him on television, on the internet. None of them is good to say that, but I first saw him. He speaks. He has anything that would describe Rabbi Yaron Reuven is that he's been there and done that. Nobody, no matter what, in business or anywhere, can say that you don't know, you don't understand. And that makes him an incredibly compelling speaker. All right? And it's my great, I could say more and more, but Shmo Holech Lefonav. Shmo Holech Lefonav. It is my great pleasure to bestow the Semicha upon Rabbi Yaron Reuven. And if your father made him see him a second abroad.
Fine, everyone look here.